Hi guys, today I want to show you a recipe that is ideal for when the days get a little bit darker, get a little bit colder, and all you need is a big bowl of love. This is my chicken dumpling stew for the soul, and it is so easy to make. We're going to brown off our chicken, get lots of flavor in the pan, add in our veggies, some onions, some carrot and celery with plenty of butter. We're going to cook it out in a thickened chicken broth, and then we're gonna finish it with really simple herb cheese dumplings that are absolutely the stodge you need this winter. It's a really easy recipe and it is total comfort food. So we're gonna start off by browning our chicken in the pan until we get a nice golden brown color. Now at this point, this is a key moment in this recipe because you want to eke out as much flavor as you possibly can here. So I'm seasoning up the chicken as it's frying off, adding a bit of sea salt as we go. But really what you're looking for is that gorgeous golden brown, and any of those little chicken bits that get stuck to the bottom of the pan, that's where there's serious flavor for. So stick with this until you have that really rich golden brown color. Okay, we have gorgeous golden brown chicken thighs, which have done their work. We've got all the great color out of them and we've got great flavor from them too. There's lots of good things in the bottom of this pan. It's nice and brown. So we're gonna get in there with our veggies. I've got some onions, some celery, and some carrot with a tiny touch of butter to really soften them down. Now, just like browning off the chicken, this is an important step of the stew. We've sweated down the carrot, onion, and celery in plenty of butter, and in the same breath, we've basically scraped off all those chicken gnarly bits off the bottom of the pan and created great flavor. As soon as the veggies are softened and we've seasoned with sea salt and black pepper, we're gonna get in there with some plain flour. And the core of this is that it's a stew rather than a soup, so we want it to be thickened and looking absolutely gorgeous. So a little bit of flour in there, adding our stock and creating a bath for our chicken to go back into. Okay, our chicken is back in. We've got the thyme in there, lovely aromatics. This now needs to thicken up, cook out, and it's gonna cook for about 20 minutes or 25 minutes just until that chicken is nice and fork tender. And while it's cooking out, we're gonna crack on with our cheddar dumplings, which starts off by grating up some cheese. Now, I would suggest you use the best quality cheddar cheese you can get. I have a gorgeous Irish cheddar here, which is spectacular, nutty, and really sharp. And that's exactly what I want for these dumplings. We want really great flavor. So to the bowl, we're gonna add both the cheese, a little bit of flour, some butter, buttermilk to bring this together, and for herbs, we've got some chives. Okay, once that dumpling dough comes together, you should have something that looks just like this. Now, typically with dumplings, you normally roll them out into perfect little circles. This is not what I want for this stew. I want craggy little dumplings that cook away and puff up in the heat of that gorgeous chicken stew. So I'm just gonna tear these in on top, get the lid on, and then they're gonna cook out until they're just cooked all the way through. There is a perfect moment when you make this stew. It's quiet in the kitchen. All you can hear is the slow blip of this happening in front of you. And once it's cooked and ready to rock, you reveal and you get left with puffed up dumplings. Lots of beautiful steam in the kitchen and good things in this pot. I love how the dumplings puff up. They are in no way perfect. It's all about craggy, stodgy, beautiful dumplings, and that's exactly what we're after. And now it is time to serve. We're gonna get chicken action, we're gonna get dumpling action. I'm gonna garnish it with some black pepper, sea salt, and some parsley, and then it's time to dive in. Last little pinch of salt, and my friends, this is the best moment. This is when we get to dive in. We've got thick, beautiful, browned off stew. We've got gorgeous, light and airy dumplings, parsley, and most importantly, that tender, tender chicken. It should literally, like it is, be falling off the bone. Just want to get a bit of everything, bit of dumpling, bit of chicken. Let's dive in. Oh my goodness. I mean, that for me is just ultimate comfort. It's like roast chicken dinner in a bowl. You've got that thick gravy-like stew, really great things happening, and it's all about that layering up of flavors and textures. The tenderness of the chicken is key here, but the lightness and kind of stodginess at the same time of those dumplings is phenomenal. This is proper winter comfort food, and if you'd like the recipe for this gorgeous chicken dumpling stew for the soul, you'll get it on my website. Make sure you head over there, click the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications to know when recipes like this one land your way. And of course, as always, I want to hear from you, so leave me a comment in the box below letting me know if you're going to try this gorgeous stew. Until then, I've got plenty to eat, so I'm going to crack on through. See you soon.